Okay, hello everybody. I'm going to do another soap today. So I've been doing a soap session, it's like all in one day. So you're going to get these videos all at different times, but it's the same session. It's a Friday. It is the 3rd of August. And today I'm making Coven. So in Coven it's a Halloween one, or autumn. And in this one I've got orange oil, white pepper essential oil, frankincense oil, patchouli oil, and then a tiny smidge of sandalwood and black pepper fragrance. I've got a really rubbish bowl here because I was running out of plastic bowls for my oils, so I'm down to a bit of a rubbishy one. So I'll have to go and wash up another one in a second. So I've got one more to do after this, and then that's my session done today. So I'm just going to stick blend this up. The colours I'm going to be using are black, so I'm going to use charcoal and then a bright sort of red. Okay, I'm just going to pour off a little for my red swirl, and I'm also going to do some like star shapes on the top of this one. So I just have to remember to leave a bit of the red towards the end. I just want a bit for the swirl and then the top. So it's going to be mainly a black soap, this one. Okay, so get my red. I'm using Terracotta by Micah Mama today. Her link is down below. Really good Micah's. I really like hers because you get pictures of the soap, like the finished soap, which is great. Now in this one I'm just going to grab sort of 5, 10, maybe about 15 grams of charcoal, or 3 teaspoons. Okay, so let me just mix the red first. Put that to the side a moment, get rid of that. It's getting to the point now I've got stuff everywhere because I've been making tons of batches. Well, I haven't been making tons at all, I've made 3 so far. Right. Leave that a second. Just going to get my mould. So we want a smidge in there and the rest in there of my fragrance and essential oil blend. So it's essential oil and fragrance in this one. Really nice, actually. That's a nice smell. Liking that. Okay, just get some black poured in. That's really good. The last time I made this, I did like the blend, but I didn't ever use any fragrance in it, and it just needed something just to lift it up a bit, because these essential oils, they're really nice and earthy. It's got like the orange and patchouli frankincense. It's nice, but it just needed something extra, and now I've got it. Now it's much better. It's got a really nice smell. Very nice smell. Oh, mess again, can't bear it. Okay, so let me get my red in. I've just forgotten to leave enough black for my stars, so there's not enough stars on the top of this one. It's going to have to do we're going to have to do what I normally do now. What a fool. never mind. So I just want this to go on the top. More up the side than anywhere else. So this weekend I've got my nephew and his girlfriend's dog. She's a lurcher, she's like a whippet cross, so we've got her at our house all weekend because they're going off to a festival. Her name's Loki, so she's going to come and stay, and my dog idolises her, so they're going to have the time of their lives all weekend. But I dare say by Sunday my dog will be absolutely sick to death of it. She really likes fun, but then she really likes her home comforts. She's a funny dog. When she's getting older, she's more like, she just likes to do her own thing, you know. You're a funny little dog, but they're very sociable, our whippets. So they do like other whippets and other sighthounds more than they like any other type of dog. They very much stick to their own kind. It's weird. Every time I meet another owner, they're always like, "Do you find that your dog?" Hark at that. "Do you find that your dog kind of makes a beeline for other similar type dogs?" I'm like, yes, every single time. She loves other sighthounds, so it's quite weird. You know, normally dogs will play with dogs, like she'll play with other dogs, but if she sees a sighthound or a whippet or a greyhound, she loves it so much. And it's because they can run together. Okay, I need to come back to this in a sec, just to do the textured top. Okay, I'm just going to do my top. Got a bit too thick there, I think. Not too bad. Oh, it do smell good. It do smell good. Just try and get those a bit deeper if we can. That's it, that'll do. Okay, Coven is done. So, I'll be back for the cut on that one as well. There we go.